And we're here. Hey, it's Tom Hobbs. Yes, in New Zealand, and Myra was in my workshop. Oh, what a space. Myra, what was your experience of being in the workshop?
Hi, I'm Myra. I was really pressured to pleasure to have to experience ha- the Man in the Hat workshop, and I was so inspired by the story, by the strategy that Tom was sharing with us. The hat strategy and also the storytelling line, and it is phenomenal. And I'm so inspired, and I'm going to use the strategy to use in my Toastmasters experience,
Awesome,
and
Myra.
the story is ongoing.
Yes. Keep it going because you lit up the room. Her eyes came alive when we were sharing it. So, Myra, awesome. Keep going forward. Remember, somebody in the room needs to hear your words.
I will definitely
Ah,
see you there.
hey, you should have been here in New Zealand with us. Thanks. Cheers, the man in a hat and Myra.
Bye, everyone.